Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of this how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing for beginners. Now in this particular video, I'm going to show you the entire holistic process flow of our affiliate marketing business, and it's going to break you down entire moving parts in this whole game. And it's going to be an interesting one, trust me. But before that, if you have not watched the first video, you can always check out on the top right of your screen. Now I just want to show you a glimpse of what is a solo ad and why solo ad is the best traffic for beginners rather than paid traffic like Facebook or Google or YouTube ads. Now, what are solo ads and why are they good for beginners? You pay someone who already has a large responsive email list and they send your offers directly to their subscribers, and their subscribers are already warmed and already they are in the same niche as you're targeting, and you pay to the solo ad vendors based on the clicks. Now, why solo ads is the best for beginners? You can see solo ads doesn't require technical knowledge, whereas when you go for paid advertising like Google or Facebook ads, you need to have your own ad creatives, you need to have your technical setups done and all those stuff. And solo ads doesn't require anything. It just requires you to give the tracking pixel to the solo ad vendor. Next, you can see there are no bans, right? Solo ads avoid account bans and restrictions. Yeah, if you go for Facebook or Google ads, there is a chances of your account being shut down and your accounts being banned. Solo ads doesn't have those kind of things. And targeted traffic. In solo ads, you are going to get laser targeted, high responsive traffic to your offers. And already they are pre-qualified and they are warm leads. And you also get instant feedback in solo ads. You can run the solo ads traffic within hours, and you can collect the data of how many sales you have got, how many email leads have been collected onto your funnels, and all those stuff. And the most important thing is solo ads is a low cost option for beginners. And if you are a beginner, complete beginner, then I would suggest you to go for solo ads, and you can start as low as $100 for testing different offers. And from there, you can scale on to $300, $500, $1,000. Whereas in paid advertising like Facebook or Google ads, you just need to start with thousands of dollars to test what is working. And from there to scale, you need $5,000, $10,000, even $20,000. And that's not possible for someone like a complete beginner who's budget constrained and offer focused. Now, in paid advertising, you need to focus on a lot of moving parts, but in solo ads, it's the only thing that you need to choose is to pick the right offer. If one offer is not working well, then you can promote another proven product. Now, let me show you the holistic process flow inside this mind map, and you will understand completely. So if you see this screen over here, this is the affiliate marketing process flow. A, B, C, D. This is where it all starts, your affiliate marketing business. A, B, C, D are the different traffic sources. Now, in this case, we are going to use solo ads, and A, B, C, D are going to be solo ad vendors. And from there, the solo ad traffic is directed to your squeeze page. Now, squeeze page, which is also called as opt-in page. And from there, leads are taken to either bridge page or directly to the sales offer page. And bridge page is the one that is required to pre-sell your offer if it is a high ticket offer. And at the same time, when your leads are coming into squeeze page, they are automatically added to your email autoresponders. And here the email autoresponders are going to collect the leads, and from there you can send them different email broadcasts or email automations in place, and you can send them to the same offer which you are promoted at the front end, or you can send them to a different affiliate offer. Now, these are the front end systems, and these are the back end systems where you're going to use your autoresponders to send affiliate offers. So most of the gurus out there will concentrate on these front end funnels or the theories, but no one shows you the exact back-end theory, what is happening after the email leads get into your autoresponders. So let me show you that. And once they buy it, then from there, they are moved into a different list called buyers list C. You can see this entire system where buyers list C are the ones who have bought a low ticket offer less than $20, right? So from there, after they have bought these low ticket offers, they are moved to the buyers list C. And again, we're going to use the email autoresponders to send them different mid-ticket offers. So it can be anything from more than $50 to more than $50 and less than $500, $600, $700. Those are called mid-ticket offers, and you can send them to different mid-ticket offers. And once they buy the mid-ticket offers, they are automatically moved to buyers list B. And buyers list B, again, you're going to use the email autoresponders to send them to different high ticket offers. Now, what are high ticket offers? High ticket offers are anything that is above $1,000. And you're going to send them to different high ticket offers to the buyers list B. And once they buy it, they are automatically moved to the buyers list A. Now, buyers list A is the most precious list among all the buyers list. They are going to be your VIP customers, and you need to treat them well, you need to provide them value, you need to send them promotional emails, and you are going to repeat the system again and again. So this entire system is done by a third-party tracking software, which I will show you in the upcoming videos. So this is the entire affiliate marketing business flow that I'm going to show you how to do in this tutorial series. I hope you got real value out of this entire holistic business process flow for affiliate marketing. Now, if you've watched on social media, most of them would not have covered about how to build a buyers list. And that's why people say again and again, the money is in the list, but the real money is in the buyers email list. And that's why you need to build a buyers list, even if you're an affiliate marketer. Now, coming to the most important part, if you are someone who is tired of your 9-to-5 job and you are looking for ways to make money online, or you just want to make some extra cash online and you're just looking to make some passive income and quit your 9-to-5 job, then I have really got you a program that is going to help you, that is going to take you to the next level in making money steadily and making a real passive income machine in the long term. Now, let me introduce you to this brand new program that is helping beginners to make their first money online. The program is called Passive Income Profits. Now, this program is by my own mentor, Benjamin from Singapore. And you can always check out the link in the description box below, my top recommended mentorship program. And once you click on that link, you will reach this page called Welcome to Passive Income Profits, time-tested proven strategies to start earning money online. Now, under this, you have 3 levels of mentorship program: the Beginners Club, the Star Club, and the Inner Circle. Now, the Beginners Club is $97 USD one time. You have these 4 big strategies, which is the email marketing, the social media marketing, and the paid ads training, and course creation training. And when you click on this check curriculum, over here, you can see what are the topics that are covered, and you have more than 100 videos of training where you can watch the videos and you can execute on your own. And it's a lot of value, and he has already covered all the top secrets that are not revealed anywhere else, and you can watch these videos. Now, when you come to the next program, which is the Star Club, which is $2,997 US one time, and this is mostly for the intermediate or the advanced people where they need a one-on-one support. What you get is you get 8 times weekly one-on-one Zoom sessions with the mentor Ben himself, and it's going to be like minimum of 60 minutes, and if you have more questions, he's always there to help you out. And you also have access to his personal Facebook Messenger to get your questions answered in less than 12 hours. And normally he replies within an hour. And he will also help you to set up your email marketing business. And also he also helps you to build and optimize your buyers list for maximum sales, and how to create multiple income using the same email list. And also you will earn your in-house affiliate program from all his mentorship programs. Next, the final one, which is called the Inner Circle, which is $6,997 US one time. And in this, you have everything covered in the Beginners and the Star Club. But here's a catch. When you scroll down under the Inner Circle, there is a guarantee from Ben, which is you can work with him directly, perpetually, which means until you make a minimum of $5,000 USD in profit consecutively for 3 months. So that is the guarantee that he's giving you. He's giving you the time commitment from his side until you achieve $5,000 in profit for consecutively for 3 months. And what else do you get? You are going to get a weekly one-on-one Zoom session of 60 minutes minimum, give you tailor-made action plans to suit your working hours, and also he is going to have you done for you systems, and also you have in-house affiliate commissions for his programs if someone enrolls through your affiliate links, and you will get 50% commissions and also 2-tier commission rates. Now here's a real deal. Now if you want to enroll into the Star Club or the Inner Circle, first you need to click on this check curriculum button over here, and before enrolling into these programs you always need to book a Zoom session to understand your requirements, your budget, your time commitment, your efforts, and only when he's able to understand and really help you in building your business that you can join into this Inner Circle or the Star Club. And you can always check out what all the features of his one-on-one mentorship, and he has also got your 90% done for you services, landing pages, integrations, 45-day email sequences, and leveraging his brand, and also inserting his Microsoft UET tag into your funnel for remarketing purposes. Now, if you're someone who is serious about this passive income profits, you can always check out the link in the description box below to have a chat with Ben from Singapore, and from there you can move on to your Star Club or the Inner Circle program. And remember guys, there is no offer out there in the marketplace where they are going to work with you perpetually until you make $5,000 in profit consecutively for 3 months. And that's how he's going to set you for the foundation of your affiliate marketing business. And from there you can go on and build your own business without any help. So I hope you got real value out of this entire video. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. In the next video, I'm going to share about the tools that are required in order to succeed in affiliate marketing business. So stay tuned. Until then, bye.